Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team Debrew, and today we have a video number 9 showing you how to make $100 with list building by using Google Adwords. And today's topic is gonna be email sequence. So let's jump into the content. Hello to everyone and welcome back to our series showing you how to make $100 per day with list building by using Google Adwords. So with that I mean that running a lead campaign with Google Ads. And today's topic it's gonna be email sequence. So how to structure it and what kind of emails you can actually send. But before we go to the email sequence, I just want to actually jump to the first slide where I just want to go through again the system, so the process of getting leads and then to pushing into the back end of your email marketing. So this is the structure you have already seen in the last video. So if we start from the top, we are running a Google AdWords traffic with lead objective targeting specific keywords. So you are targeting keywords that you done in your keyword research by offering a free content. So in our example is that a free ebook called The Bulletproof Keto Diet, and it is in keto diet niche. So we are collecting emails with landing page. So this one here below that we have created inside the get response email autoresponder software. And then when they give us their email, the thank you page will pop up. And on this thank you page, you want to actually thanks them to grab your free valuable content. And then in the below section, you want to have an upsell if it's possible. Why? Because you want to cover your lead magnet advertising expenses as soon as possible, right? So what I want to say here is that in this system, so in this flow, you can have 2 upsells straight away in the first day. And then in the first week of your email sequence, you want to have a main affiliate program focusing to upsell to your new subscribers. So let's have a look where are these 2 examples. The first upsell you want to have on the thank you page, so a soft price that the price it's not too high and the majority hopefully will grab the upsell offer. And this could be around $7. And the second upsell that you can have is inside the free ebook. So when they finish reading the ebook, in the last section you can add an offer. So that's mean to overcome their problem with a product that you promote. So in this way you're actually giving them 2 options, so 2 products that they can purchase within your first day. And then in the first week of email marketing, you're gonna have the main affiliate product where you're gonna promote every single day that we're gonna have a look in the next slide. So here you can see the structure of the covering the expenses of your advertising. So like I said, as soon as possible. And now let's jump to the second slide where we have our email sequence. So the top section is the first week. So from day 1 to day 6. And then on the below section, so the green color, you have your weekly email marketing that you want to plan in advance. So minimum of 30 days, but would be better even 60 days. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And if you want, you can actually automate all these emails in advance for the next 30 days inside your email autoresponder software. So let's go to the first week, which is from day 1 to day 6. So on day 1, you want to actually deliver the free content. So in our case, that it is a free ebook, and send a welcome message to a new subscriber. So from yourself, personal, or from your brand. And below you want to have the first soft sale. So first mention of your main affiliate product, which you're gonna be focusing for the first week. So this is the big sale, right? So the day 2 is gonna be make sure they got the free content. So send an email about have you got the free ebook. If you haven't, you have the link here to download. And again, call to action to your affiliate main product. So day 3, we are starting with valuable content. So you want to give more value. So talking about topics around the main affiliate product you're promoting this week. So you can actually lead them to your blog. If you have a website, you can actually have a 1-page article. So just, I don't know, 500 to 1,000 words with valuable content. And then in the end, you have a solution to their problems, your main affiliate product for this week. And on day 4, you just want to give them value. So valuable article, video. So you can even create a YouTube video if you want. Or like I said, you can have a 1-page article or the entire blog website. On day 5, it's going to be straight sale to the main affiliate product you are promoting. So direct call to action with a link. And day 6, you want to give them again an article, a valuable content to help them, and then a follow up to direct call to action. So the link of your affiliate product. And here I just want to point out that you want to analyze the data of your first week. So first sequence that you have created with the flow from the lead magnet Google AdWords campaign to the actually landing page, how many emails you're collecting, how many of these subscribers they are opening the email, clicking the links, actually purchasing the upsell, so the upsell on the thank you page, the upsell inside the ebook, and the main product for the first week, so the affiliate product that you are focusing. And you want to actually wait around 100 subscribers, minimum of 100 subscribers to go through the process to actually analyze the data and see the results. So are you getting a good results? Are you getting bad results? Which emails are not converting, subjects of emails. So you want to analyze everything to actually optimize to get better results the next run of your campaign. And then after the first email sequence, so the first week, you want to create your email marketing. So it's going to be promoting similar valuable products to your audience with the valuable articles or maybe even videos following the 30 days of email marketing, or even 60 days would be even better. So after the 30 days, you want to again analyze the data and then see what kind of results you're getting and where you need to improve. So in the email sequence here below that you're gonna go after the first week, you can have an automated emails. And if you want to write broadcast daily emails to your subscribers, you can do that and schedule your planning like that. So you can have your broadcast on Monday, let's say Thursday and Saturday, and then having an autoresponder. So already schedule the emails on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So if you want, you can send them every single day an email, or you can go every 2 to 3 days. So you want to test that and see how they respond, how many emails they are opening. Maybe you can go slowly at the start and then just starting to send them more emails. But going with 1 email per day at the beginning, it's nothing wrong if they like your content and they want probably more, because you are helping them with their problems. So this is how you're gonna structure your email marketing, so the email sequence for the next 30 days or 60 days. But let's have a look to the right side and see what you want to look at in. So for start, you can plan and build your 30 days email sequence. So digital and physical products that you want to promote them, and valuable content emails to help your subscribers. So around these products that you are going to sell, and order. So outsource your specific email swipes for your 30-day plan. So you actually create a plan, order the email swipes, and then implement everything inside your email autoresponder to schedule in front everything that you don't need to do that step anymore. And after 30 days, analyze the data. So let's have a look. So which products are converting? Which type of content emails have the biggest open rate percent? Where I'm getting the most of sales? What is my average dollar per customer for first 30 days of email marketing? So this is important because then you know how much you are getting in average per every single customer. That will give you an answer how much you can spend in the front end to actually get a lead. Update the first 30-day plan by changing products that don't convert or emails that don't convert, and plan your next 30 days by the data you're getting from your subscribers, so warm, hot traffic. And after first 60 days, you will have your email sequence plan, so tested and actually optimized and ready to push through new leads with your Google Ads campaigns. So this is how you would like to actually create your delivery email sequence and your email marketing for the next 30 or 60 days. So hope I gave you some information how you can create that and plan and start building your business.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.